So revising your personal statement is based on your academic, professional, personal goals. What are your academic goals? What are your professional goals? And what are your personal goals? So academic is always that course information that you need to know, that you need to complete. So that's always going to be the undergraduate. The professional goals depends upon whether or not you're going to need an advanced degree or whether or not you're going to move up the organizational ladder. So it depends on what you want to do. It depends on the specialization. And then what are your personal goals? Personal goals could be marriage. It could be having kids or something like that. But I always like to look at personal goals as financial wellness. That personal goal, because if you can get money right, you can just about have whatever life you want to have. It's when your finances are out of whack and you are not doing the things you need to do financially, it affects all areas of your life. Also, personal goals, you want to be careful about the things that you do, the things you take on, the people that you help, because if your personal life is not focused, if it is not where it needs to be, again, it's going to affect every other area of your life. And so revising your personal statement based on academic, professional, personal goals is going to be an ongoing task for you in terms of your life. But when you are revising it to submit a personal statement with your application, what are those personal goals?